You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce these brand name. For more names from fashion, design, beauty products, cosmetics, brand names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got loads to learn here that many get wrong. Kanekalon. Let's break it down. English pronunciation: Kanekalon. The stress is on the second ka syllable. Let's hear it. It's easy once you know. Kanekalon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.